Good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis for the U.S. session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Again, we do have up the London session market analysis. London session market analysis for you guys, and some tutorial videos if you guys are struggling with trading. So make sure you guys check those out if you guys do trade the London session or are struggling. But other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at for the US session. So for S&P 500, we'll start there. Do got two areas of support right now. You can see right here at about 47.0975. That's going to be the area of my first support, and then below that, more of a main area, 47.05 as the next area of support. From these two areas, I am looking for the market to try to bounce and continue back up. Right, trying to get back down into this area of 05 will definitely be an interest area for me too. But bouncing right between one of these two levels, heading right back up into 47.23, as that's the area of resistance right now. Strongly bullish, so just keep that in mind. If you want some short ideas, 47.23 is actually going to be the only area that I'm looking to short, unless we get below 47.05. Then I will look for the market to try to come down into our next areas of 46.81 to about 77.50. Those are going to be the areas of support. Let's move over into a smaller chart here real quick. So for S&P 500, you can see, just zooming in a little bit closer for you guys, nice bounce so far from the area here. Nice bounce there. We had a nice V bottom there prior. So that's why we're looking for the nice support there. We could come back, make a nice double bottom, and then look for a continuation, but we may just get this nice first bounce and continue up higher from there. So just keep that in mind. There is a closer area that you want to try to take some profits off, which can be one of two areas. One, you're going to want to try to take some here at 15. Next area up above is going to be right around these 19 to 20s. That's going to be the area of resistance above as well. And then look out for those 47.23s. Again, support below 47.05, and then below that 46. We got a little bit of a closer one. I actually don't even really need this one here, but 46.81 to about 46.7750. That's going to be the areas. Let's move over into gold. Take a look at what gold is giving us. So gold, we got a little bit of wider areas for gold. Looking for the support to come in 1782.6. So look out for the bounce off that area. We're looking for the market to bounce up from there, retest the high of 1792.7. We may go between a wider range here, so just keep that in mind. If you want the shorts, 1792.7, and then the longs for me is going to be somewhere around these 82.6s. Below that, next level support 1777.3 and 1770.6. Looking out on crude oil, let's take a look. So crude oil is trending down right now, so just keep that in mind. Resistance is above. We're going to have 71.34, and then above that, it's going to be 71.66. I do anticipate maybe crude oil trying to pull down just a little bit deeper, a little bit of a zone here, 70.67 and 70.53. It'd be nice for crude oil to get down here and then give us a nice bounce of support from this area, maybe doing a nice little bit of a range for a bit, getting the resistance here right around these 71.34s and the support between 53 and 67. If you get up above these 71.66s, next level up above 71.97, 72.29, and 72.78. So those are going to be our areas on crude oil as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys are going to trade today, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. For those who are going to be in the room with us here in Zoom at the open, I will see you guys in there. Looking forward to trading the US session this morning. But other than that, you guys take care. You have a great morning. Trade well.